Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Maidenbower in West Sussex and looking forward to showing you around this customised J for a repeat client of ours. So this particular client, this is his fourth building from us, and we've done a bifold and others before, and back in this new property of his, he wanted a working space but more integrated in the garden than the standard J can offer. So he talked us into this, making this customised job, and actually I've got to say it's really nice. So it's a standard 2.9 by 2.5 deep J, which is normally what I say is a slightly too large one-person office. This proves the point once again, but on top of that we've then added in these lovely aluminium inline sliders that makes the whole front glass really integrated with the garden here. Small compact garden, but doing a really lovely job and finishing it off with this building. It is used as an office, and I could take you up and show you in there, but what he's done is he's kept the area quite small of the office, and then got a TV, nice corner sofa in there as well, used for the kids when they come home, bit of homework, and also just as a little escape from the house as well. So it's a really nice way of doubling up on a building, and say it's only like old school. This is 10 foot by 8 foot, so it's not huge. So yeah, I just think it's really nice to show you that. All the usual things from us. You've got the MTX cladding in anthracite, 10-year guarantee, just under the 2.5 planning rule from that original height, which is the upper level there. With that addition of the double inline aluminium sliders, it really does add a little bit of something. So we are now going to offer this as another upgrade option. It isn't the most cost-effective solution. Still, the door and window is in UPVC, but it is a really nice solution when you want to integrate yourself with the garden a bit more. So I hope you like this. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. Let me know your thoughts on this building. Thanks for watching, and thank you.